Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install new glass widgets on your any Android device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store, search glass widgets and Theme Pro and download this app on your Android device. This app download link also available on description. After download, simply tap and open. After open, look at this all widgets category, clock widget. Let me show you one by one widgets. Look at these clock widgets, digital and analog clock, both clock available on this app. Simply tap on clock, tap on add to home screen, simply tap on add and look at this new clock glass widget add on your Android device. Let me show you next widget, weather widget, battery widget, music player. Simply allow some permission. Tap on add to home screen and look at this music player widget also add on your home screen. Look at this photo widget, quote widget, calendar, look at this calendar widget, and last system info widget. Guys, look at this downside. You also set theme and wallpaper from this app, and if you go to color, you also set colors of your glass widget, and you also set glass opacity with this option. After set, simply tap and add to home screen and this effect apply on your all widgets. So guys, you also add these new glass widgets on your any Android device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.